the neighborhood. I know you wanna be quiet, but I'm starting a riot with my loud, loud, loud ringtone. With my loud, loud, loud ringtone. This is such a loud, loud, loud ringtone.
How does RingtoneFeeder work? Well, go to RingtoneFeeder.com, click the subscribe button, follow the instructions, and then you're transferred to PayPal to complete the transaction. You get a username and password, you click on the link and iTunes opens up, and ringtones come automatically. For more details or even try a free demo, visit www.RingtoneFeeder.com. You can find RingtoneFeeder almost anywhere. Just search for RingtoneFeeder on your favorite service, including Amazon, iTunes, and Verizon.